We would also like to address the increasing distortion of facts circulating in public regarding Ateneo's alleged prior knowledge of safety risks and accusations of institutional intimidation. An initial review of university records show absolutely no complaints, warnings, or communications regarding student safety in this matter, nor was there anyone asked to be silent about this. However, we are not dismissing these serious allegations. All claims and data will be turned over to the independent fact-finding body, which will then conduct a rigorous forensic audit of all records and communications. We will not shield or protect anyone, nor will we allow our integrity to be compromised. So far, all available information and accounts on what happened on June 8 show that it was a tragic accident. But we understand completely that for loved ones, the word accident is never easy to accept. Ateneo de Manila is not evading accountability. For full clarity, transparency, and justice, our Board of Trustees formed an independent, fact-finding body composed of external, highly competent legal and technical experts who will operate entirely outside Ateneo's administrative structure. Their findings and recommendations will be submitted directly to the Board of Trustees, and I assure the public that their review will be exhaustive, unsparing, and free from influence, whether from the inside or outside. We also welcome and will fully cooperate with any and all investigations by civil and regulatory bodies. We are fully committed to the truth wherever it leads.
Ano po yung nakikita nating time frame on sa independent fact-finding po ng Ateneo?
Ang sinasabi sa amin, sabi nila na at least 2 weeks ang kailangan nila kasi talagang thorough, exhaustive to. At kahit kami mismo na nasa administration, kahit yung coaching staff, lahat sila ay maaaring nilang tatawagin at kausapin. So, ang sabi nila, at least 2 weeks, maybe more. Ayaw ko bigyan ng deadline kasi baka magsabi na naman kayo na hindi nagawa, ganun. Pero we are trying to do it as comprehensively as possible and as quickly as possible.